Hi, this is Sarabjit over here, representing a company called Poetry Design for Life. We're Gurgaon based. We're here for an exhibition. Our work basically comprises of designs which we guys have been doing this for a very long period of time. And the designs are basically done out of stoneware, wood, metal, and glass. The designs are very contemporary, and they are basically, you can see the designs, you can have a feel of the whole situation. They are basically going to be living with any kind of present furniture what you have. And otherwise, also when you are talking about very contemporary or very living kind of furniture of any kind, that can be put together with this. If you are looking at making your new home, then absolutely there is not a problem, because then you can, start to end, you can do it with us. We're doing conceptualizing to making the complete area for you. We help you with that. Otherwise, basically there is a situation that if you want to just do some part of your home, even that can be done. So if you need any help, you can contact us. We are Poetry, Gurgaon based. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Israr Ahmad from Unkin Studio. We have a local showroom in Abbots. We have lots of varieties in home furnishing. Like you have seen dining table covers, bed sheets, doormats, door curtain, window curtain, shower curtain. Okay, and we have other varieties like wallpapers. Different types of, you can see different types of wallpapers. We have lots of varieties in bed sheets in different type of brands. Suppose like Raymond's, Swiss tea, sauce, soft cotton, and all varieties like this. And you have the best variety in Raymond's brand. You will see the curtains variety like sheer curtains and velvet curtains for arch and for the door curtains. The size will depend on you. The common size is 4x7. If you want for arch, it will be 4x9. Depend on your size, we will make a customized curtains also. You can see the variety. I will show you. It's only for customized section. This is for all customized section. We have customized curtains like you have seen in catalogs. We have different types of varieties in this, international brand and national brand. This is the variety of cloth in 3D collection, and this is the variety in arch curtains, sheer curtains. You can see. If you want some another variety, you have this type of variety from ranging start from 400 rupees to 4000 rupees each curtain for your doors, for your windows also. And we also make it customized curtains like this. If you want some combination, color combination, depend on your wall, depend on your home, depend on your ideas, we make customized curtains. If you want to go with digital print, we can make a blinds also. We always make a blinds like this, and we have a curtains. You can see this variety. It's a total washable and non-removable print. डिजिटल प्रिंट है पूरा ये. अपना 4 ब्रांच है हैदराबाद में, एबिट्स पे, नारायणगढ़ पे, कोटी पे, 4 ब्रांचेस है अपना. एंड यू कैन सी द वैरायटीज in the velvet curtains, and this type of varieties we have. See, customer pediatry is our main thing. We always supply the best variety and best quality to customers. We have lots of customers from Hyderabad, and we also courier them in international countries also. We have artificial grass, artificial tree grass. It's a pastable. And we have a different type of wallpaper like this. We are selling the rolls also. If you want some digital by your own idea, we will serve like this also. This is a digital print. It's a customized. It's a total customized and a Canon paper. If you want some blankets, comforters, dohar set, doormat, blind, we have all home furnishing items. You can visit in our showroom. Our showroom is at Abbots, opposite Darpan. We have a good quality. You can visit. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Tejaswini here. We are the manufacturers of premium leather sofas. We are into this industry from past 20 years. We manufacture motorized recliners, manual recliners, dining cots, the dinings with onyx stone as well as marble tops, and the quality and workmanship is on to the par. And we import leathers from Italy, and it's all customized product. I'm basically an architect, and it's based everything we are doing as per the client requirements. As you can see my products, it's affordable to people and made in India, and we are doing in multiple brands, and throughout India we are supplying our products. And as you see, I mean, there is also a good demand for leather in India. And the leather we are directly, since we are importing from Italy only, and here it is cost friendly, and we have our own setup in Bangalore and Mumbai. We are manufacturers of the leather and non-leather and fabric also, and we take complete turnkey projects for all the interior works also. And this is our premium segment actually. So people, we are getting a lot of good crowd, and of course the organizer has also taken all the measures due to the pandemic. We have all the safety measures here, and there are a lot of good demand for my products. So I would want more and more people to visit exhibitions and get to know these products, which is quality as well as environment friendly and premium products. You can go through my website also. It's on my business card. So that's it. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mohammad Qasim from Bangalore. My own business in carpet. My carpet name is Blue Carpet. It's very cheapest carpet. This one is a Turkish carpet, 16,500. Offer price 12,500. And this is a small size 4x6, 8,500. Offer price 7,000 rupees. And that one is import from Irani carpet, 1,65,000. Offer price 95,000 rupees. And more different cheapest carpet. Persian carpet, this is 21,000, offer price 18,500. Turkish carpet, and it's very own business. My Bangalore Blue Carpet, my company name is Blue Carpet. It's very good quality. Address is OMBR layout, and this is also door mats, bath mats, yoga mats. It's very cheapest price. One piece in 995. Take two piece 1,500. It's machine washable, water also. All of is different quality carpet. Okay, thanks.
We deal in mosquito mesh, blinds, curtains since last 2 decades. We are number in the market. So we have that slide types mosquito screens, the collapsible one, and that one is the rolling one, is pull down and bottom block, and the sliding one. And these are all openable systems with aluminum frame with steel mesh. And I have one more new product in the launch in the market just now. So in that one system we can do 2 operations. One is a mesh, one is the blind. So you can use both at a time. Either go for the blind, or else you can go for the mesh, or else you can go 50-50 of the mesh and the blind. We are the best, one of the best in the market since 2 decades. So we have good service in the market.
एक सेफ्टी डिवाइस है. जस्ट आपका जो कोई भी रेगुलेटर, इंडियन, HP, भारत, आपका रेगुलेटर पे से फिक्स हो जाएगा. ये आपका सिलेंडर पे आ जाएगा. कोई भी जब फिक्स हो गया, ऑन हो गया. अभी ये ऑन है, फिर भी यहाँ पे गैस नहीं है. इसको एक्टिवेशन करना पड़ता है. फर्स्ट टाइम इसको 2 बार जैसे इसको प्रेस करेंगे, एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. गैस का फ्लो आएगा. आपको इधर गैस का लेवल शो करेगा. सिलेंडर में गैस कितना है इधर दिखाएगा. ये अप्रोक्सीमेट है, एग्जैक्ट नहीं दिखाएगा. ओके, अभी ये गैस ऑन में सपोज कहीं भी कुछ मेजर लीकेज हो गया, जैसे कि पाइप रिमूव हो गया, लूज कनेक्शन हो गया, बच्चे ने खींच लिया, ऑन कंडीशन में अगर ये पाइप निकल जाता है, विद इन अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड इसका सप्लाई बंद हो जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिक सप्लाई स्टॉप. फिर आप इसको एक्टिवेशन करना पड़ेगा. इसको 2 बार जैसे ही प्रेस करेंगे फिर से एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. सपोज अगर इसमें आप रेगुलेटर बंद करना भूल गए, आउट ऑफ स्टेशन है, घर से बाहर है, सर ये ऑन कंडीशन में किसी वजह से अगर ये पाइप कट गया, क्रैक हो गया, नॉर्मली इसके ऊपर लिखा है स्विच ऑफ रेगुलेटर एंड नॉट इन यूज। अगर आप बंद नहीं करते हैं, भूल जाते हैं, अगर रात में कुछ पाइप डैमेज हो गया, विद इन ए फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड इसका सप्लाई जो है बंद हो जाएगा। देखिए इधर भी बंद हो जाएगा, इधर भी। एनी काइंड ऑफ मेजर लीकेज ऑटो कट ऑफ हो जाता है। इसका 3 साल का आपको रिप्लेसमेंट गारंटी देती है कंपनी, और इसमें जो है आपको इसका लाइफ 30 साल आएगा, 30 ईयर्स। और कंपनी आपको ICICI बैंक का लंबार्ड इंश्योरेंस 2 करोड़ का इंश्योरेंस कवरेज देती है। और अभी यहाँ पे ऑफर प्राइस है, एक्चुअल कॉस्ट इसका 3,250 का है, बट हम लोग 40% ऑफ करके 1,800 में आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। ये बैंगलोर का मैन्युफैक्चर है, पीना इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, IM सेफ्टी प्रोडक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, बैंगलोर। और नंबर जो है बोलना है 9538840147। थैंक यू।